Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you.
Okay, so I've got I have my cauliflower, just half a cauliflower, and 100 grams of cashew, so about 3 ounces. I just had a centimetre of water in the pot, and I've had them boiling. I'm just going to turn it off. Just boiling with the lid on there for about 10 minutes, and the cauliflower is well and truly cooked. It's all falling apart, so I'm going to drain that. And you only need like a centimetre, half an inch of water in the pot, because it kind of more steams, but it boils a little bit on the bottom. So now that's cooked and the cashews will be nice and soft. We're going to drain it and we'll mash. So once it's drained, I've actually kept the cooking water because you can actually drink it like a vegetable stock or use it in soups and stuff. And it's got, all the water-soluble vitamins from the cauliflower, so it's good to have. So then I'm going to get in some butter, about 4 tablespoons, and just puree it with the stick blender. So when you've got your cauli nice and mashed and pureed, it's up to you. I've left it a little bit chunky because I was getting a bit bored with it. But you can make it as smooth as you like. And then I've got some chopped kale. So just like, I actually would probably put more in, but the possums have been eating my kale, so my kale supply is pretty low at the moment. But yeah, you just want something to give it some greenery and some freshness. I've just thinly sliced the kale crossways. But you could use cabbage if you prefer. That's traditional with Colcannon, or green onions, spring onions instead, just to give it a bit of colour and texture. And there we are. And then I'm going to serve it with some fried eggs, but you could serve it, with chicken, beef, wherever you'd normally serve a good mash.
So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.